Installing lattice underskirting to mask off the area under a deck is a great way to improve its overall appearance. Lattice typically comes in 4-foot by 8-foot sheets, so you'll need vertical supports for the lattice at least every 8 feet if it's 4 feet or less above ground. In this case, the deck is 2 feet off the ground and the 4x4 foundation posts are spaced at 8-foot intervals, so they will provide that support. You'll also want horizontal support for the lattice along the lower edge of the deck. Here we're creating that by screwing pieces of 2x4s to the back side of the band joist. 3 of these 16-inch pieces per 8-foot span provides plenty of support for the lattice. Because the bottom of the deck joist are only 24 inches off the ground, we are simply marking the lattice panels with a chalk line and cutting them in half along their length. A circular saw is the best tool for this. Just be careful to avoid cutting the staples holding the lattice together. Now, getting a tight fit may require a little excavation of the soil beneath the deck, and it's easier to move a little dirt with a shovel than to custom cut the lattice for every little bump in the ground. Before driving the deck screws to secure the lattice, be sure to drill pilot holes. The individual lattice strips are thin and they will split very easily. Finally, camouflage the seams between panels by overlaying a piece of 1x4 and securing it with deck screws, which works really well because our posts are 4x4s. The result is a deck that looks as good as it functions.